So this is the spreadsheet for the preparation of the subscribers list for the day. Okay, our data that we're going to use is from here up to here. Okay, so step 1 is we are going to eliminate, to exclude the canceled. So dito, yung mga naka-cancel dito pala is tanggalin natin. So we eliminate here using this G column. So yung uncheck natin yung yung cancel dito. At saka yung naka-special. Okay, like this one, naka-special S special. Ito, Premiere. Okay. Tapos kung may blanks, i-eliminate din. Okay na lang yan, yung blanks. So, ang naiwan is yung mga active na lang. So, we have 285 na active. Wala pa labot ang La Cassandra. Okay, next is, after that, okay, now ang schedule natin next is Monday. So, Monday ating i-prepare. So, eliminate natin ang Monday dito. Okay. So, dito, eliminate, i-check lang natin, filter lang natin sa Monday. Okay, ganyan. Then, after that, copy ito until here. So, again, filter lang natin ang Monday dito. Okay. So, pagdating dito, after that, filter ang Monday. Okay. Ito ha. Click mo dito. Hold mo yung shift. Tapos, yan. Pag click mo dito, highlight automatic yan. Then, until dito sa baba, hold mo yung shift. Select mo until dito. Yan. Okay. Then, after that, pagdating dito sa Monday, copy-paste mo. Okay. Sorry. Isali mo pala itong due date pala dito. Okay, ganyan. Tapos, copy-paste ulit. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Now, itong barangay dito, I think no need na itong na mag-appear. Sorry pala. Make sure na yung pag-copy-paste natin, balik natin ha. Copy-paste natin. Make sure dito na na-cover lahat. So, ito yun. Okay. Then, try to data filter, ganun. Okay. So, okay. So, yung barangay dito is okay na to. At saka ito. Okay, so, eliminate mo lang natin itong dito. Okay. So, yung naka-formula is nandito na. Yung mga naka-sort for sorting purpose. So, halimbawa dito is i-sort mo lang A2. So, yun, naka-sort na yan siya. So, nandito na din yung serial number. At nandito na yun yung pasunod. Okay, ngayon ito is very small yata yung natin. So, halimbawa, i-try natin na Control A lahat. Just to select all. So, naka-14 siya. So, try natin size, legal, then yung portrait. Okay. So, walang problema. Then, second, itong Monday, tanggalin na lang ito. No need to have this. Okay. Then, select mo again. Yung is wrap mo, i-wrap mo siya. Okay, itong naka-formula dito, wala nakalagay naka-formula. Lagyan natin ng sort. Okay, para dito, pagdating dito sa file is sort, para short lang yung description. Then, yun na. Okay. So, ito naka-14. Ibig sabihin malaki. Now, i-stretch mo lang siya. Ganon. Then, ito din, stretch mo lang. Okay. Para medyo konti lang yung papel na magamit. Ito, okay na yan. Stretch mo again. Stretch mo to. Ayun. So, dito, in every row, i-highlight mo. Tapos, hanggang dito. Okay. Then, double-click mo yung mga in-betweens. Yun. Pag na-double-click mo na siya, magdikit-dikit na yung ano. Okay. So, magdikit-dikit na sila. Then, okay. Then, dito, lagyan mo ng ano, conditional formatting, highlight those that contains text na MD. Ganun. So, pag MD, lahat ng mga may MD dito is naka-highlight. Okay, so that's it. So, ngayon, ganun lang. Okay. Hanggang dito. So, that would be a total of 97 for Monday. So, mga ganyan. Siya kadami. Okay. Now, make sure lang na para medyo hindi masakit sa mata, try to make some borders, all borders. Okay. Tapos, yun. Then, yun lang. Okay. Then, we have page dito at saka page dito. That will be okay. Lagyan natin ng note na lang dito na this is ang last na subscriber dito. And filter natin ng Monday. So, select natin ang all. Ang last natin na subscriber is 358. Yung last na may registered. So, lagay natin dyan. 358. Note na lang natin na last subscriber is 358. Ayun. So, that's it. I think okay na yan. And ready. Okay. So, save as PDF. Sulit ko na. Lagay ko lang yan sa my documents. And I have this Monday. So, save as PDF. Monday subscriber. Meron ako dito. Ito. TVG Monday subscribers. So, i-overwrite ko lang yan. Then, save. Yun. Okay? Okay. So, ayan. So, ilang pages lahat? That would be 3 pages lang. Okay, that's good. By the way, parang hindi natin na-consider pala ang margin. Kasi ang document size nito is 14, then ang long is only up to 13. So, yung margin natin, kailangan mag-allowance na yun ng 1. Okay, nandyan na pala. So, okay, kasya yan sana. Okay, thank you. Yun lang. Okay, may nakaligtaan. Make sure pala na dito, lahat is naka-highlight lahat ng print area. So, dito, print area is set natin hanggang dito. Captured lahat. Baka kasi, let's say, i-check natin yung nagawa natin. Yung para sa Monday. Ito ba yun? Hindi. So, yung sa Monday, try natin i-check. So, ito yun. So, pag i-check natin yung nagawa sa Monday until, kung i-check natin yung bottom, okay, na ano siya hanggang, so make sure na nasali hanggang 308. So, to do that, para magawa mo siya na ganyan, just make sure nga, review yung print area, then try to evaluate, kasi ang nandito sa bottom is hanggang 308. So, make sure na yung 308 is part of the print area. So, may evaluate mo yan dito, yung 308. So, which is, ito, naka-option natin. So, ready for printing na ito. Thank you. Okay.